Australia does not exist.
Okay, so I've just jacked the car up because today I'm going to be pulling out the fuel tank and cleaning that out. I'm now an hour or two into trying to get this fuel tank out. I've gotten all the bolts except for one out, and that one's, I'm really concerned that it's about to snap because it's tight as anything. I just keep on spraying WD-40 on it. But I think I'm just going to have to send it and hope it doesn't snap. If it snaps, that just means more work. Yeah, also, here's the spare wheel, which is the only one that's still red. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that. As you can see, they were all red at one point. And in the photo that I showed earlier, which I'll put here again, you can see it had red rims on it, which is definitely interesting.
Australia does not exist. Australia does not exist. Australia does not exist. Oh, oh.
So what's happened is I haven't been able to get the fuel tank out of the car, so I have put this together so I can try and run the car. So I've got the old fuel line, which was kind of a little bit cracked when I got it off here, the rubber piece, so I've got that, and it was super short, so I put an inside piece of tubing, just hose tube, and then taped it all up, so I'll see if that works.
1788, came upon this land, washed into the bay, stepped upon sacred sands, didn't recognize it was governance at hand. Laws and conditions not based upon demand. Tribes, clans, and families around the sacred hand. Stone line, stories, blessed woman, child, and man. Stars, constellations, formulating plans. Bountiful plains of medicinal plants. Spells beyond the physical, beating our dents. None of this dreaming, unfolded by chance. But they didn't see this majesty. On before their eyes, liberation savages, and plotted out their minds with their star formations to represent their plot, not realizing that true essence brought in through those knots. Busy painting laws to sidestep our rocks. So now you have every way to be put out to shot as the mock. Spot that laws this landscape never defined in the previous 60,000 plus years of time. That said, Australia's still a scene of crime when they push aside the manners and it's blinded in the blind.
Australia does not exist.
What they be selling is myth.
Australia does not exist.
But they keep on trying to tell it.
Australia does not exist.
Yo, it's straight up illegitimate.
Australia does not exist.
Yeah, it's all lies relevant. First we'll take that land, take it for our own. Those who take a stand will kneel before the throne.
So close. What went bang? Something went bang. Something went bang. Give it another shot. Another shot. Another cool thing I should tell you guys about is I put a post up saying I bought this car on the Datsun 1200 Facebook group. There's a worldwide just fan group, and I got some people commenting, is this your old car, to tagging people. And I recognised a few of the names because I have some receipts and stuff in their registration papers, but I've now tracked down. So I got someone sent me images from this exact car 10 years ago, so I'll put that in now. As you can see, it's a lot better condition than it is now. Like, yeah, not of this patina, as one good lad said. So I think I counted it's had at least 7 or 8 owners in the past 10 years. Which is ridiculous, but people were saying that, which is probably a good thing, people were saying it was a very nice car back when, before it was rusted to pieces. It's getting nice and warm. It's like a little heater. My butt, my butt, my butt.
For the crown, hands on the ground, then we'll take all the kids. Hush, don't make a sound, nothing but savages. We'll show them how they're supposed to live, and if they don't assimilate, I guess we'll have to demonstrate our superiority in every single way, and remind them how we've conquered them every single day. And what better way to do this than to give this land a name? Australia, yeah, the great land that was claimed. Man, it ain't gonna work. Watch us grow like flowers if we come from the dirt. The hurt runs deep. Our peep came just to reframe the pictures of the past, so my people know where we came from. We've been here all along. See, Australia don't exist, just another damn myth.
Australia does not exist.
Okay, so it's been a few days since the last update, which was just a few clips ago. And sorry I haven't been filming because I've been having problems with camera batteries and SD cards and all that stuff, and just haven't had time. So as you can see, the car is now undercover, which is pretty awesome. So the car is no longer gonna get murdered by rain. And since that, those clips are now pulled off the bonnet, front guards, stripped out most of the interior. There'll be more of that today. The exhaust.
What they be selling is myth.
Australia does not exist.
But they keep on trying to tell it.
Australia does not exist.
Yo, it's straight up illegitimate.
Australia does not exist.
Yeah, it's all lies, all of it.